In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable camera on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and now if we tap at camera app icon, we can check that now camera app works well. We can take pictures, we can record videos. However, if you would like to prevent camera app from being used on your device, you can easily do so. To do that, first off, we need to open up settings. On settings, we need to get into screen time and then content and privacy restrictions. If that option turned off, just like that, first off you need to tap on it to enable content and privacy restrictions, and once it is done, all you have to do is just head over to allowed apps, and that's where you can easily find camera. To disable camera on your device, just turn it off. And then after a couple of seconds, if we go to our home screen, I see that we need to wait for a while. As you might have noticed, camera app icon have just disappeared from that toolbar. And now actually we are not able to use camera app on our device. We can't even find it now. So if I'll try to search for a camera, I'm not able to find it via search now. And also now we are not able to find it on our app library. Also, if we'll try to go to the home or to the lock screen, now we can see that camera app icon is grayed out and we can't interact with that icon to open up camera app. That's because it is disabled on our device. To turn it back on, we need to go back to allowed apps, and then all we have to do is just turn on the toggle next to camera. After that, we need to wait for a while, and now as you can see, camera app again available to be used on our device. We can take photos, we can record videos now. And guys, basically that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.